Stand 2 pillows in your washing machine and watch what happens, plus some bonus tricks at the end. Anything I talk about will be linked in the description box below. Dollar Tree sells some great pillowcases. If you have a front-loading washing machine like mine, you're going to want to do this next step, especially if you have some yellowed pillows. Unlike mine, most top loaders do have a soak option. Let your pillow soak for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending upon the severity of stains and yellowing. Use 2 pillows to keep everything nice and balanced. This same process works with down feather pillows. Make sure that you avoid fabric softener. Here are some additional tricks to make your pillows smell amazing. This is an excellent trick if you tend to sweat a lot at night. A big shout out to Nisa Morales. Thank you so much for your super thanks and supporting this channel. These smell so good. Take a whiff. Make sure you squeeze your pillow to ensure there are no wet clumps. You don't want any fungal growth going on. How often should you do this? Every 4 to 6 months, depending upon your personal hygiene. Make sure that you always check your individual pillows for care instructions because they can vary from pillow to pillow. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.